In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Netflix app on your smart TV. So if you want to install the Netflix app on your smart TV, then watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more important videos like this. On your smart TV, head over to the store where you have your app store. So you go to App Store, here's my App Store, and I open my App Store. So once it's open, I can come to apps where they're going to show me app categories. If I come to app categories, here are the video apps. So if I search there, I'm going to see, let's see if we're going to see Netflix here. Looks like Netflix is not here in a quick moment. Well, if Netflix isn't on your app category, then no worries. That's just the first place to take a look to see if there's Netflix on your app category. If it's not, then head over to the search button. So go to the search button, search Netflix. So we're just going to write down Netflix. So we search for Netflix. We click enter on our remote. Then the Netflix app pops up and then we open it and then you click on download. So once you click on download, the Netflix app is going to download to your smart TV. So let's just give it a minute to download. And it's downloaded and then it's going to start installing. So once it's installed, it's going to ask you if you want to open the app. So let's give it a minute. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes you literally just 5 seconds for you to hit the subscribe button. But it's going to mean a lot to me. Why is it taking a lot of time to install? It's taking a lot of time. One more minute. The story. It has installed. So here's that. If we head over now to our smart TV installed apps, we head over to here. We're going to see Netflix is already installed to our smart TV. So that's how you install Netflix on your smart TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video for more.